5 time-saving ways to insert data into Excel. When analyzing data, there are 5 common ways of inserting basic Excel formulas. Each strategy, however, comes with an advantage over the other. Therefore, before diving further into the main formulas, we'll clarify those methods, so you can create your preferred workflow earlier on. 1. Simple insertion, typing a formula inside the cell. Typing a formula in a cell or the formula bar is the most straightforward method of inserting basic Excel formulas. The process usually starts by typing an equal sign, followed by the name of the function. Using Insert Function option from Formulas tab. If you want full control of your function's insertion, using the Excel Insert Function dialog box is all you ever need. To achieve this, go to the Formulas tab and select the first menu labeled Insert Function. The dialog box will contain all functions you need to complete your analysis. Selecting a formula from one of the groups in Formula tab. The option is for those who want to delve into their favorite functions quickly. To find this menu, navigate to the Formulas tab and select your preferred group. Click to show sub-menu filled with a list of functions. From there, you can select your preference. However, if you find your preferred group is not on the tab, click on the More Functions option, probably it's just hidden there. Using Autosum option. For quick and everyday tasks, Autosum is your go-to option. So, navigate to the Home tab. In the far right corner, click the Autosum option. Then click the caret to show other hidden formulas. This option is also available in the Formulas tab first option after the Insert Function option. 5. Quick Insert. Use recently used tabs. If you find retyping your most recent formula a monotonous task, then use the Recently Used menu. It's on the Formulas tab, a third menu option just next to Autosum.